Hi guys, back with another video. Today we're gonna look at my slime. Okay, come on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. See, look at my slime. Look at my bloopers from Christmas. Look, that's cool. I'm gonna get downstairs for my daddy. So guys, like that. I'll do another video. Bye.